Hello, we've got some inspiration from Spirit. They say self awareness is key at this time. Take time to go within and spend time with your soul. Go for a walk in nature and ground yourself. Meditate, go into prayer, and listen to your favorite music. Whatever you enjoy most, do that for yourself today. Our number card today is 888 Abundance, and they say blessings are here and there's more to come. Let yourself feel the abundant flow of prosperity that is all around you. As you stand in your highest self, you attract all that you once were seeking. Giving is always the doorway to success. And they also want you to know if you are have a set mindset. If your mindset is fixed, sorry, let me read it. If your mindset is fixed, try to free yourself from that. Rise above it. Don't place limitations of what you think you can achieve. Don't stand in your own way. Allow yourself to flourish in all ways. Welcome abundance in all forms into your life. They say you are ready. You've laid solid foundations for yourself. They want you to give with gratitude and grace. There is something better coming your way. There's big happy changes coming your way, and they want you to be loyal to everything that you love. They say there's new beginnings. You must stay aligned with your higher self, your truth, the all of you, and they say you choosing to move from the chaos to peace, harmony, and love. There's brightness coming into all areas of your life, including your monies, and your loved ones say it's a perfect time for you to show the world who you really are and what you were born to do. I love you all. Bye for now.